Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to claim Gulf insurance about our vehicle accident to get money to our bank account. Here I will show you link in description. Just click the link. Okay, this is the website. Okay, this is Gulf Insurance Group website. Here I am going to claim our company vehicle accident money. Okay, this is the link in description. Just click the link. This is the website homepage. Okay, first you have to click step 1. Okay, motor claim. Then you have to click. Okay, you have to click next step. Okay, now submit your claim. This is the second step. Here we have to give first, if you are a vehicle accident vehicle owner ID, if there is a Saudi ID, put Saudi ID number, or if Akama holder, Akama number, or company, put the vehicle owner ID number 700. Okay, after that the vehicle owner phone number, mobile number you have to enter. Okay friends, after that you have to select I am not a robot. After that you have to click proceed. Once you click proceed, we will receive OTP to enter. Okay, once you enter OTP, we will receive this page. Okay, you see we have to select first insurance, third party insurance or comprehensive insurance. Our insurance is third party insurance. Then accident reported by Najim or Murur. Our accident reported by Najim because we have Najim number, so I am giving the Najim accident number. Okay, after that the sequence number. The sequence number means the which car our accident in the istimara, the car accident istimara, we will find the registration, we will find the sequence number. So I already mentioned the sequence number. After that email ID, so I am giving the email ID. Okay, after that our IBAN number. Okay, now I am giving our company, this is company vehicle, so I am giving company account number. Okay, if you this is your personal vehicle, you give your personal owner account number. Okay, so I given our company IBAN number. After that repair estimation type takdir, because we have takdir report. Okay, this is our takdir report, estimation report. Here we can find the amount. Okay, total amount. So you must have this report to claim your accident money. Okay, see this is Gulf Insurance Group. There we can find. Okay, if you see the amount here, you can see the amount, how much. Okay friends, here we can see total with what 2771.79 real with what. This amount we are going to claim, so they will transfer to our account. So this is a Najim report accident number, we can find here. Okay, you must keep this all document to before you claim. Okay, this is this vehicle, we already this vehicle only made accident, so this is the sequence number down. There is 8-digit sequence number. Okay friends, we have all this document. Then see, do you have any additional invoice? No, there is no additional invoice, only this takdir only. After that you just click proceed. Once you click proceed, okay, you have to accept terms and condition, then click submit. I click submit. See, your request was submitted. Okay friends, that's it. Within 3 days they will check everything, your claim, everything. If it's okay, they will send you email. After that within 7 days they will transfer the amount to your bank account, mentioned bank account. Okay friends, if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. I will reply you. Please support and subscribe my channel. Please check my other videos, it will be useful for you. Thank you. Please support and subscribe my channel. Thank you.